In this video, we want to show you a new feature that we've added to the Products tab, and that feature is to be able to copy a product. So if you hover over the product row now, you'll see a copy button. This is similar to the copy button on the jobs product page, but this is your main products list. And until now, we've forced you to only have one version of this core product. And now we're opening that up and you can create multiple versions of it. And one use case for that might be that you have a different quota that you want to track. So maybe you have these two products on your TRACT, or it's the same product, but you're going to deliver one under one quota and another under your own quota. Like so. So we can save that. But the feature works just very simply. You just hit copy and it should just place it right below the record that you're copying. And then you do need to save it. It's going to add the -copy to the name of it. You do need to have a unique name. If you try to save it with the same name as another, then it's going to give you this error. So you just need to fix that. And yeah, we think this will be helpful. You might also have some use cases where it's basically the same core product, but maybe you're doing something slightly different depending on what mill you're sending it to, and you want to track that differently. So there's a couple of different reasons you might want to create 2 different versions or 3 different versions of the core product. I would suggest that you don't create too many versions. Maybe 1 or 2 should be sufficient. If you get too many, it could get more complex, and your reporting is going to vary when you try to run reports to see how much of a certain product you sold, because it is going to track as a different product. A couple of other things that we've made easier for you in this section is just some simple things like being able to remove. You should be able to remove as long as this doesn't have any tickets associated with it. If you do have something with tickets associated with it, then you're going to get an error telling you, hey, this product is deleted or associated with a lot of tickets, or maybe it's used on a bunch of different jobs. So you cannot delete products that have already been used. One thing you can do is you can rename them something like this. That way you'll know not to use it. Maybe in an upcoming time we'll have a feature where you can archive the products so they don't show up on your list anymore. But until then, maybe this is the best way. The other things we've added is just some feedback, making it easier to use. Like if you try to add a product that doesn't have a name or abbreviation, it won't allow you to add it. You can easily remove these, and you can't add one with the same name, even if it's a different core product.